टॉपिक इज ऑन इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इंग्लिश. ठीक है. वाई आर यू लर्निंग इंग्लिश? Is grammar necessary?
Yes, sir.
I'm just having some questions, then we'll discuss one by one, okay? Is grammar necessary? Then how many languages do you know? Then which is the most important skill if you want to learn English? So which is the most important? So let's start with importance of English. Okay, let's start.
English is international language. So we should learn. We must learn English, and also we should learn grammar properly. We should increase our vocabulary so that we can speak so many words. And I know 3 languages, and I know Hindi.
Which is your most favorite language?
Hindi only.
Hindi. Okay. Do you speak Sindhi?
Yes,
It's a good thing.
it's my mother language.
Which is most important skill if you want to improve our English?
I think vocabulary is the most important.
Skill. There are 4 skills. First one is reading. Second, writing, speaking, and listening. है ना? So all 4 skills are important. है ना? But which is the most important skill?
Listening. I think writing.
Writing. You think listening?
Yes, sir. Because if we don't write, but then also if we listen, it fits in our mind, and then we know. If we write, then sometimes we confuse.
If you are a good listener, okay.
Yes.
Okay. If you talk, then you are not listening. It means, you know? So listening is the most important skill. Because we learnt our first language by listening. We didn't learn writing, reading. First we learn listening. Yes. Yes. Importance of English.
Good evening everyone. Today I want to speak on my topic, importance of English. English is very important for us. English is spoken in many states,
Countries.
And we don't know English, so we don't get a job, and it is too useful for us. Thank you.
How many languages can you speak?
Hindi.
Okay. In which language can you express yourself in a better way? Hindi or English? In your school, English is spoken or not?
Spoken.
It is
But
spoken.
not too much.
Not much. So your school is English medium or English spoken?
English medium.
Most of the schools are English medium, not English spoken. Na? Right. Yes. What is the importance of English?
Good evening, everyone. Today I want to speak on the topic, importance of English. English is a international language. English is spoken in many countries. English help to get success. English, if we don't know English, we cannot get a job. If you want to improve your English, you have to go to good coaching and to good vocab. Then you will get. Then you will improve your English, and you should read newspapers daily and talk with your friends, family members, and teachers in English language.
Why are you learning English? Means there are many reasons. You said importance of English, but what's your purpose?
Because I want to become a IAS.
So in that English is necessary.
Yes, sir.
What do you say? What is importance of English? Can we get rid of English or not?
No, I think we don't get rid of English, and English is very important in our life because English, as she said, that English is spoken in every country. If we are talking about us, if we are go for abroad, if we don't know their mother tongue language, but we can talk to in English. So we can't impose any language, but we can talk to in English and
Talk in English, not talk to English.
Talk in English, and I think in every stream English is very important. Not in English that if a teacher want to become English teacher, so only he needs the English.
Okay, why in our country English is given so much importance? If you talk about France, they speak French. You can go. If you want to go to Japan, so they speak Japanese. In Russia, they speak Russian. But why in India we give so much importance to English? Are we still slave? Is it our slavish mentality?
Not so as a slave, but in India there is Indians give too much importance to English, like as visitors come here, and I think if we
So they should learn our language. They are coming. Second number बना के लेना 88 पेज.
So because in India only our national language is Hindi, but without English we cannot do anything, and that's why India has become after some years India also will become an English country. I think it's not so that India will become an English country.
See their English. You can't say their English. India will
So, but after 10 to 20 years,
Not possible. Not possible. In India, there are many languages. Who can replace
And also in
English?
constitution it is not written that Hindi is our national language. There are 22 languages in constitution.
So that's why we have to learn English. Okay. You should say that India is divided into many provinces. Like somewhere they speak Tamil. If you go to south, if you go to Gujarat, so they use Gujarati. If you go to Maharashtra, they speak Marathi. So you can't impose one language, Hindi. Okay. But in other countries like Japan, there is Japanese. In Russia, there is Russian. In China, there is Chinese. So it's easy to implement this type of thing there. But in India, it is not possible. Because in country itself, we have to, means we cannot impose Hindi on every state. That's why we need English. Like Supreme Court decision is there. So Supreme Court is from, like, it covers central, whole country. Okay. So their decision is given in English. I'm just giving an example. There are so many examples. So that's why we cannot get rid of English. We need to learn English. Yes. What is the importance of English in your opinion?
Nowadays, English is very important because it is a needs of today, and it is also international language. Nowadays, people used to speak in English in hospitals, in schools, and in many areas we see that people used to learn English, and we can also speak English in campus with our friends and teachers, friends, and sometimes in our home we also used to speak English.
Not used to. Used to means past. Only speak. First form से बन जाएगा. People speak English. Right. Importance of English.
English is very important today. Without English we cannot progress. We cannot take job. English is very useful to us. We learn better English to go to English classes. And can we improve our English?
Only joining is enough. They also joined. I don't think they can learn. Okay. Obeying the teacher is must. है ना, सबसे बड़ी बात क्या है, टीचर को ओबे करना. ओबे करने का मतलब बात मानना, है ना. Whatever is topic is given or whatever homework is given, you should, है ना. Otherwise you can come for 1 year, 2 years, the situation will be same. Okay. It's not going to change. Yes.
English is very important. It is need for
Speak loudly.
English is very important. It is need for today. It is international language. It is very useful. Speaking on today, English is bright future.
It is necessary for bright future.
Bright future. Everyone must learn English. Thank you.
Very good.
Good evening, everyone. Today I want to speak on topic important of English. English is very important language. If it is need of today, it is international language. Without English, we cannot progress. English is very useful. Everyone must learn English.
How can we improve our English? Tell. What should we do?
Sir, in my opinion, we can watch video of English and we can learn it easily. And if we are reading books, we can't learn quickly. And if we are watching videos, we can learn quickly. These types of videos. English video grammar. We can also learn from movies and songs. We can also learn English by videos.
Right.
But not too much. We can learn.
Both the things are there. Grammar for basics. But that is practical. Watching English movie, watching English programs, English motivational videos.
Also by if we are watching in Hindi, but we are also reading the captions in
Yes.
English, so that is also good.
Good.
And,
Subtitles are there, captions.
And not only by watching and reading, we also have to speak it daily for learning it in a better way.
Like it. Say something.
Hello, good evening everyone. Today I want to speak on my topic English. English is very important. It's need of today. It is English is international language and what is very useful.
Okay. Any other point?
Sir, but I don't think that only watching videos and all, if we don't know to speak in English at all, so if we will try to watch movies, so we will not be able to understand. So firstly, we should try to speak in English and try to understand their words. And all.
The best thing is to create an atmosphere. Like you have some friends, so you can decide that we will talk only in English. Right? It is also a good way. Like you 3 friends are there. If you decide we will talk only in English, है ना, ऐसा नहीं कि बस सॉरी, थैंक्स, यस, नो, यहाँ तक ही रह जाती है फिर इंग्लिश, है ना. यस. इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इंग्लिश.
The English is very important for us in this time. We are
टॉपिक नहीं बोलना है तो कितनी देर बाद बेटा क्या के लिए
English is used like we going to search on Google Chrome. Is only searching English because English is international language. Other countries like Russia, any other countries is only learn his language like Russia is Russian and we more language to learn like English and his country language and English is many use like schools.
हैव रिटन टुमारोज टॉपिक है ना.
Schools,
Tomorrow's topic.
everywhere, exams, PM and President is decided to our country name is India and convert to Bharat.
Doesn't matter. His name, India's name should be Bharat only, not India. It is another topic. It's not related to English. Yes, it's a political issue, I think. You know?
Good evening, Mama. I want to speak on the topic English of
Importance of English.
Importance of English. English is very important of life, and English learning not job, and the many countries speaking on English.
People speak English in many countries. Subject लेके बनाओ. ठीक है. For learning English, you must do your homework first. है ना? पहले homework करना. It's necessary to do homework. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Today's my topic is importance of English.
Why are you feeling shy?
According to me, English are very important because in India, I have many states and many states have many languages are in India. So we want to talk the other state person, so we can't understand her language.
Their language.
That's why we want to learn English. And my personal motive want to learn English because I want to go outside of the India, like America or Canada. That's why I want to learn English. And for improvement of English, we want to learn grammar and other skills. Mainly grammar is, according to me, writing is the skill we want to learn more.
Okay. Writing skill is also important. Right. Say something. Importance of English.